This is how to use carding application to sell gift card at high rates, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video for more people to see. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. Go to Apple Store or Play Store, download this application called Carding. Do you understand right now? Download it. After you download it, open it, and you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on it, click on sign up, and you can see Gmail and phone number. You can decide if either to register with Gmail or phone number. You click phone number if you want phone number. If you want Gmail, you click Gmail. You understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to select your country. Click on it, Nigeria. Select Nigeria. The next thing you are going to do right now is to put your active Gmail, functional Gmail, because you are going to receive a code with it. After you put your Gmail, you can see verification code. Leave it first. Jump to where it says password. Put your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. For example, let's say Godson. Write it like this. And add number at the back with any symbol like this. Do you understand? You can choose any symbol you like and it will work successfully. Write that password here again. Do you understand right now? After you confirm your password, then put this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, but let me tell you, if you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira. And if you didn't use it, you will not get a welcome bonus. And as me too, if you use this invitation code, they are going to reward me. If you didn't use it, they are not going to reward me. So I will say, please use it to register. So you can get a welcome bonus and they can also reward me. After you put this invitation code, now go back to where it's a verification code. And you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, you are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depend on which one you use. Do you understand right now? Immediately take that code and put it here. Before it expires, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to use carding application to sell gift card at high rate and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Let me log in, guys, and we continue. Now I have logged in, guys, and this is what you are going to do. You can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Now you can see category, select category. Now scroll down until you see the gift card you want to sell. Let's say Razor Good, for example, or let's say Apple items. I've selected it. You can see country, select the country. Scroll down until you see the country of your gift card. Now I'm going to use US as an example. Balance of your gift card. Let's say my card is $100. I'm going to write it here. The next thing you can see physical card and code. Physical card is a gift card that someone buy at a physical store. And code is a gift card that someone buy on websites. Do you understand? So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is code. Do you understand? Gift card is a common gift card. And now you select the one you want to sell. And the next thing is code. You can see code. Enter the code, optional. You enter the code of your gift card here and you click on sell. But if you have the image of your gift card, you click on this box and you click on upload from gallery, then select the image of your gift card and upload it. After you upload it, click on sell. And in a few seconds, it will say success. And this amount, 125,105, it will be available on your balance when you go to home like this. When you go to home like this, it will be available on here. It will be available on this balance. The next thing right now is to withdraw your money to your bank account, right? Now, you can see this three line up here beside Godwin. Click on it. And you can see wallet. Click on wallet. And you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Now select the bank you are using. All Nigerian banks are here. Select the one you are using. Write your bank name, holder name. Write your account number and put your carding password here. Then click on submit. After that, your account will be added successfully, just like my own. You can see my OPay. And now to withdraw your money, click on withdraw. Write the amount you want to withdraw and click on confirm to withdraw. And in a few seconds, your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is how to use carding application to sell gift card at high rate, guys. Like this video, comment, and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question, write it and I will answer. I love you.